Welcome to a My Vend Track tutorial. This tutorial we will go over the Expenses tab. The Expenses tab will give you a list of all the expenses currently in your system. The tab defaults to the current month. So as you see here, we are April 1st to April 30th. You can select a bigger date range if you would like to view more expenses. So this will show us all of our expenses from February 1st to April 30th. We hit go and it will repopulate. We see the list got a little bit larger there. One thing to note is the search box up here. If we have a very large list of expenses, it's nice to filter it out. So if we only wanted to see our commissions expenses, we can just start typing commissions and it will filter out all the commissions between that date range. For each expense, we have a few actions we can do over here. We can either edit the expense or delete the expense. Clicking on either one will bring up a light box and you will see a few options here for editing the expense. We can change the date, the amount, we can choose a different category, we can type some notes about the expense, or we could tie the expense to a machine. Likewise, you can click the delete button in order to delete the expense from the system. You can also delete multiple expenses at a time. If you come up here, you can hit Enable Batch Edit, and you will see a bunch of checkboxes are now available here. Select the ones you would like to delete, and click the Batch Delete button up here at the top. You'll get a confirmation here confirming that you sure you want to delete these expenses, and you hit Delete. And those expenses have been deleted from the system. Another thing to note is the actions up here in the top right of the Expenses tab. The first one is a CSV Export. If you click on this, it will export a CSV file for you to import into Microsoft Excel. The file will contain whatever date range you have selected here, and the expenses in the list below. And the last action up here, Add Expense. If we click Add Expense, it will bring up the light box for adding an expense. We can select the date we would like to add this expense on. Let's say April 8th. We can enter our amount. Next we will select our category. Let's say this was a travel expense. And let's say we went to machine 1. And we want to tie this expense to machine 1. So we click Add. And as we see right down here, our travel expense for $25 to machine 1 has been entered into the system. And there you have it. That's the Expenses tab. You can easily view expenses for any date range, export them, add them, edit them, and delete them. Thank you for watching this tutorial.